Hello friends, so let's talk about red coral. Okay, the gemstone of red coral. This particular gemstone belongs to planet Mars. Okay, which is a very hot planet, and the people from uh, defense background, people from law and order, police professionals, people from law profession, they are all going to benefit greatly with this particular gemstone, red coral. Or you often see people in this particular field wearing this gemstone because it can take you to great heights, whether it's suitable in your horoscope or not suitable in your horoscope. Even sometimes it will take you to great heights. Okay, that's the greatness of this particular gemstone. And people in the real estate, dealing with lands or construction field, they can also benefit greatly. It's a property accumulator. You can gain lands, flat or apartment, or you can build your own house. It can bring you lots of money into your life. Okay, you can earn a lots of money from your profession. It can take you to great heights. And if you're particularly looking for government jobs, ruby is the right gemstone for you. But yes, this particular Mars will go hand in hand with sun, which is a friend of sun. So this particular red coral will enhance the results of even a ruby or a yellow sapphire or else a pearl. So this is always in support with the other gemstones, and it will act like a catalyst, and it will take you to great heights. It will fulfill all your desires. And yes, if you want to save your marriage, or if you want to get a good match, if you are on the verge of divorce, you want to have a great match, then red coral is the right gemstone for you. People, even if you see of Manglik dosha, Kuja dosha it's called, they also benefit greatly with this particular gemstone called red coral, because it will remove all your negativity from your life, and it will enhance positive results in you. It can induce great confidence in you. People from even from entertainment industry, they can also benefit greatly by this. And the deity for this particular gems, it can give you it can give you great health, and it can elevate you to great heights as well as. And the deity for this particular planet is Lord Hanuman. Hanumanji is the ruling planet for this ruling god for this particular planet. And if you offer prayers to Lord Hanuman, if you're visiting his temples, or if you're offering prasad, or if you're visiting his temples, it will bring great relief in you. Even if you are not wearing a gemstone, by doing these remedies you can benefit greatly. Yes. And people from across all professions, as I told you, can definitely try this particular gemstone. No matter, see, profession is a secondary thing. The most suitable professions are these. But even if you might be a software professional, you might be a different person, but still success is important. In order to bring success to your life, these gemstones or these planets play a lot of role on your particular horoscope and your life. So you can definitely try them. And the red corals from Italian red corals and Japanese red corals are considered to be the best. Indian red corals are not that up to the mark. You can just treat their substitute. They can hardly give you 5 to 10% results, not more than that. Don't expect more than that. And you should always try a red coral which has to be minimum of 9 carats. 9 is the best number of Mars. It's the best weight as far as the gemstone is concerned. Always try to wear this particular thing. And also try to feed cows, donate to pandits or in temples or poor people or needy people, because giving brings a lot of good benefits to your table rather than just wearing a gemstone. Even if you are wearing a best and the costliest Italian red coral, the most wonderful gemstone, it will work only to certain extent. Because if you are not following the rules of cosmos, that is dharma, the good dharma path, you are just accumulating, keep on accumulating wealth, not even giving a single penny to anybody. That is not the right way. Even these gemstones, they will stop working after certain time. Okay, you have to either energizing them. There are various methods of energizing them. Not only that, the best way to energize is cultivate the habit of giving. Help people, help animals, feed water trees. That is also a great deed what you can do in order to pacify your planets. And these all things will take you to great heights. Okay, thank you so much, friends.